And everybody, when them see that Queen there, well, not everybody, so I should say everybody. But the older folks that salute in the theater, you know, like the Queen, I look upon them. Like them a part of the guard them, you know, they like them a salute. That imagery will never come out of my mind. Never. And that is where them there now, them ricochet and come as you know, and make you get up and I say, yeah, you feel good because you know you have your own flag and now you stand up for your thing. When them are going to ask you for vote to see if you want the Queen or not. That is what they're going to do, you know. And more than likely, they're going to campaign. You have some people that campaign to say, why we should left the Queen. Boy, when we did have the Queen rule, you know, we did better off. What the hell are you talking about? What you're talking about, it was better off. It's a serious thing. If it was better off, why am I sitting down and talk this? It was better off, we shouldn't sit down and talk this. It's because it's not better off. That's why we're talking this. And some little people can go through the keyhole and get, you know, get along, and then them say, through them get on, them and say, them don't say, if I get on, why you can't get on too? You know, if I come out of poverty, why you can't come out of poverty too? Yeah. So one man say, boy, if I reach a heaven, you can reach a heaven too. And then everybody will accept that. It's because what you're doing, why you can't go to heaven. And him never got heaven yet, he don't know what is there. At least a man who come out of poverty knows what poverty was. When I used to live with my mother, I never know that my mother did poor. That never come up in my house at all, but we poor and with this and with that. Never. Me was no cry baby. And the only time I know me cry is when me think me do something wrong and my mother beat me. But me never think say me poor. Run up and down the street with little people them a play marble, fly kite when me they have Jonestown and all them way there. Never know say me poor. No, them instill that in a way. And them have them tell life vision and all these things now for brainwash for into believing say, feel them life is a better life. You know, a man tell me the other day say, him get through with him family and thing for go to America and him send him people go to America. And right now him have to leave America and carry people go back to France because what happen now is that people are getting scared to send them people to school in America. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? People get scared to send them people to school in America because them don't know if a gunman will come in there and kill all the people them, or if a student in there is a gunman and kill all the people them in there. That's so much of that happening in America now. It's amazing. This is the so-called most powerful country on earth, so they say. So, we're keeping playing these clips. We're going to play the clips them continuously and take some phone call, but we want to play this next clip here. Listen to this clip here. Yeah, we have them by the score. And we'll have them long time to, you know, but the right time to play them now. Here goes.
Well, this is a huge distraction technique, isn't it? She's died. As if, well, that's what happens. People die. Yeah, she was old. What do we think was going to happen? Does the whole country...
She'll live forever.
yeah. Let's set her in formaldehyde and put her on top of a statue.
Yeah.
You know, like Queen Victoria. Get rid of our myths, man. She died. She did her job. We paid her really well.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. See you later.
So what does the Queen mean to you, and does her passing have a dent in the way you feel today?
How can you be a person of colour and not have an issue with the Queen? Yeah? And how can you be of any class apart from upper class and not have an issue with the Queen? She was a wonderful lady. She had a great life. Why are we shutting down businesses at the moment, shutting down sports events, when we've got a cost of living crisis, to mourn for a woman who we can mourn on the day that she's buried, but why are we shutting down when we need to make money in this country for somebody that's got so much money, owns most of our land, is not meant to be part of politics, but in truth has actually just done some deal I saw on Channel 4 which has made the royal family a huge amount of money when they're not meant to be politicals. You have people say oh, get over it about slavery. But only in 2015 did every taxpayer in Britain stop paying the slave owners.
Okay.